So, it's been a couple of days since I've gotten a haircut. Not a couple of days actually, a couple of weeks. I haven't gotten a haircut since I was 9. Oh my god, I haven't gotten a haircut when I'm 20 years old. Last time I got a haircut, I was 19 years old. But anyways, guys, I wanted to make this video. Of course, I have my one video a day thing going on. And you know, usually I have a video prepared, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys, okay? I'm not a YouTuber. I have 2 businesses that are still running, you know, even though the coronavirus is going on, and I have to take care of it. So sometimes the videos are just me talking to the camera. Sorry for that. And as you guys can tell, my mood is just not the same as usual. Then that's just because, you know, I'm not happy all the times either, right? I'm not sad, but I'm not happy all the time either. Perpetual happiness is a myth. That's not a thing. So when someone says, oh, you know, would you rather be happy or have success? Always say success. Perpetual happiness is a myth, and no one is happy 24/7. But today, I don't know, you know, sometimes I just like to hop on and talk about a topic. And the topic I want to talk about today is taking action. How nothing happens in this world without you taking action, okay? How do I know this? Because I was one of those guys that used to buy a course, that used to go ahead and watch the whole course and finally do step 1 after watching the whole course. Not realizing that I'm gonna have to come back to step 1 when it, you know, the video of step 1 when it's time to do step 1. So instead of doing that, I should have just watched the video on step 1, did step 1, learn from step 1, take step 2. And the thing is, I didn't do that. And you know what? A lot of people don't do it as well. A lot of people go through my course, watch the whole thing, don't take action. I know a lot of people do it. I know almost everybody does it. Because you know what? I used to do it in the past as well. And oh my god, my hair is actually wild. But you guys get the point. A lot of times people just think that reading something, information, no, none of that matters. Action. How are you gonna get something done if you don't do something, right? People are very, very stupid. And what I mean by that is people just think that you know, stuff just happens out of the blue. Like people just think, people hope, and that's another thing. That's another topic for itself, but hope is not a strategy. Don't hope something will happen. Don't hope you'll meet someone that will change your life. Don't hope that, you know, your future will be better. No, make it happen. And that's where a lot of people mess up is, you know, they use hope as a strategy, and that's not gonna work out. But back to action. Listen, you have to take action. The person you should be is learn something, take action, learn from it, next. Always take action. Without action, nothing happens. I can write. I'm gonna film a new case study. I can study everything about a case study, but until I get it done, nothing happens. And I'm telling you guys, momentum is important too. When you start taking actions, you start building momentum. When momentum is being built, when momentum is going, it's easier to do work, it's easier to achieve things. And I'm telling you, there's something to momentum as well. When you start, you know, there's something with momentum. I feel like it just compounds and overall just makes your life so much easier. I've seen it with myself, I've seen it with people I know, I've seen it with my students, and overall that happens through you taking action. If you do not take actions, how the hell are you gonna achieve anything in your life, right? So I can make a way longer video talking about actions, but I'm gonna even continue it, okay? So another thing as well is a lot of people do not take action because people do not like doing things they don't like. So you know, you guys have heard this in the past. You guys have heard this online. You guys have heard this in the books. Follow your passion. Do what you feel like doing. You know, find a job where you're passionate about. But what if there's no market for your passion? You know what I mean? Fuck doing the things you only feel like doing. You gotta do things you don't like, and that goes back to action. Take action. You're gonna have to take actions of things you don't like, you're bored of, okay? And right now I'm just ranting. Right now there's no structure to this video, and there's only one point you should take away from this video, and that is go do something. I know you've been putting a lot of shit off lately. Go do it right now. I don't even know why you're watching this still. Go ahead and do it. I know there's a lot of things you're putting off, and there's a lot of time, and nothing is being done. So that says a lot about you. Get shit done, get shit into motion. I am doing things every day. I'm making sure I get shit done every day. I'm making sure always the wheel is moving, you know? I'm moving the needle forward. I'm getting shit done. Without you getting shit done, nothing will happen. And yeah, take action. There's 2 types of actions that a business needs, right? Or the 2 types of actions you should be taking if you're in a business or if you're someone that is a hustler. Actions that make money actions that save you time. If you're not doing those two, stop doing it. Stop focusing on that little detail on your logo. No one cares. Money making activities, time saving activities. Go take some actions today. I know this video is all over the place, but I don't care, okay? It's my YouTube channel. I give you guys some free value. You know what? I've been giving you guys a lot of free value lately, and I want you guys to show me some love. Share it with people. Post me on your Instagram story, right? Share this with people. Subscribe, like. But I've been giving out a lot of free value, and I want you guys to show me some love as well, and I would truly appreciate that. Go ahead and like that smash button, subscribe, that smash button. And yeah, I am too tired, I am too annoyed, and I'm too pissed off to be making a proper video. So I made a one-take value video. So you guys are welcome. Have a great day, guys. Bye. Also, look, I didn't feel like doing this. I don't feel like doing this, but I have to do it. You guys get what I mean? Action. You gotta do shit you don't like. Peace out. Love y'all.